So the high pressure fuel pumps, which are here and here, I'm replacing the seal, which is this bit here, this part, and I'm also replacing the actuator, which is this, goes in there. And I just wanted to show you why this, you see how easy that is to spin? That's what causes, you see the ball bearings there as well, and this doesn't really spin that easy, and you can't, it's not as loose, and that's what's causing fuel to leak through to the cams and then further into your cylinders, and then yeah, you get a rich code and you get fuel in your oil. So yeah, here's your high pressure fuel pump. It would be this way around in the car. This is the piston here. You just need to maneuver this clip up. Just like this. Spring out. Get this tool from TGK. Pop that in there. Get your Milwaukee because it's tight. 27mm. Bosh. Pull your piston out. This is your seal that you're replacing. This is the bad ones. And this is a good one, which looks much better. I just get a little bit of oil on there, on the O-rings, just to ease the fitment. So going back in, there's a bit of, there's this seal in the middle as well. Get some oil in that. Wipe off your piston. Wash it in from the rear. Bosh. Pop it in there, back in. For added effect, hang on, let's get. Screw it in by hand, and then for added effect I'll show you how exactly this works. Here you go, bish, see that? And then you want to pull it back out. Oh, I need to torque it down a bit. I don't actually know what the torque settings are. I looked online, doesn't say it anywhere. So we're going to go tight. We're going to go a Jonesy tight. Yeah! Tight enough. Anyway, yeah. Pull that up, pop that in, and pull that up a bit more. Yep. But don't want to pull it all the way out, because then you'll have to take it off again, as I discovered on the last one I was doing. Yep, pop that there. Get that nice and seated. So yeah, get that nice and seated in there. Pop this in, bish. And then push that down. And that is your seal replacement and actuator replacement. I'm going to clean this up here. It's pretty simple to remove. There's two bolts here, pipes off, clips out. It's that simple.